Yes, you can connect VPT8 to more than just one projector. Here's how it's done. There is a few limitations that you have to bear in mind when you do this. First limitation is if you are on a laptop and your internal monitor should be the working area, you will have to find a workaround for the discrete graphics cards problems that we always have when we're using a laptop. Now, this is VPT8 connected to 3 HD panels, and as you can see, the first limitation is your preview will look a bit skewed and compressed because, well, VPT8 is a little older and it's a free program, so bear in mind some things just don't work in the preview, but the output looks pretty nice. There is no limitation on the resolution for now. I re-record this because my ventilation just went mad because I connected all those projectors to it. But as you can see, it works pretty well. You can create your outputs and layers there, and it's pretty easy to then just map things on a wider range. Second limitation, you have to do this on an NVIDIA graphics card, and you will use NVIDIA's settings and preferences that you can find by right-clicking on the desktop and then just going to more options, and there you will find the NVIDIA settings. And in the NVIDIA settings, you have to activate surround. In surround, you will be asked to name all the displays that you want to join into one big display, and then you start surround, and this will make all the displays you choose into one big display. On every laptop that runs an AMD or some other internal graphics, you will lose the main display. Now you have to go into your settings for the display and include your internal display as well. And after you've done this, you can recreate the situation where you're actually using your internal display as the main display. And after you've done that, you should be fine to run VPT8 on more than just one projector. Hope you're having fun. Subscribe to the channel if you like those tutorials, and I'll be seeing you next time.